fam, it's Flo and we are back with another video. So today I have something completely different for y'all. I am in the process of straightening my hair. I've got this much already blown out, so I'm going to show you guys how I do this side, and then we are going to flat iron it. I know, crazy. I haven't done this since I went natural like 2 years ago. I'm like literally just exactly 2 years. I just hit 2 years in December. So yeah, this is 2 years worth of growth. I went from like this to all of this growth. So this is where we're at. I'm gonna show you the products that I'm using, the blow dryer I'm using, and all of that. First, I'm gonna start with this Miel leave-in conditioner. This is the pomegranate and honey. It's good for moisturizing and detangling. So since this is a larger section, I'm gonna put about that much. And I literally just washed my hair. I had it in braids and then I took the braids out. So I washed my hair. Of course, I had mad dead hair, so it took like forever to detangle. It was so annoying. I have like a 4B, 4A, and 4C texture. Like I'm pretty much all fours, but like completely different types of fours, which I hear is pretty normal, I guess, for some people to have like a whole bunch of different textures. But yeah, so like my front is definitely fully 4A because it's really loose curls. And then the middle of my head is damn near 4C, like, you know what I'm saying? And then the back of my head is like 4A. And then like these areas are like 4B. They're kind of a looser curl. So I don't know. I don't got a specific hair type, child. It's just type 4. The next thing I'm going to use is this Mongongo oil thermal heat protectant spray, also from Miel, and it looks like that. So I'm just going to spray a little bit of that. Oh, Jesus. And coat. That's all this is a series of coating, detangling, blow. Coat, detangle, blow. So I'm going to concentrate a lot of that on my ends because we do not want any heat damage. Yeah. And then I'm going to use this Kale Essence Slip and Shine Multivitamin Hair Serum, and it looks like this. I'm sorry, I have like hair and all type of stuff all over my hands. Y'all just gonna have to excuse me. All right, and I'm gonna put just like this much, not a whole bunch, because I'm gonna flat iron, so I don't want the hair to be super heavy. I just want it to be moisturized and coated enough so I don't get heat damage. And all of that. What did I wash with? I washed with the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus shampoo. And then I used a combination of deep conditioners. I used the Aussie deep conditioner, and then I used my cousin's hair care line conditioner. Let me show you. Everybody knows about the Aussie 3-minute moisture, so I don't have to show you that. But this is the Chevy hair products. This is in the Asia. This is the Intense Hydrating Hair Mask. So I went ahead and put this on, let it sit for a little bit, and then I used that to detangle my hair while I was in the shower. So the last thing I'm gonna put on here is the Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum. So this is definitely gonna help with blow drying the hair and blow drying the hair quickly. It's also very, very light, so it doesn't add any extra weight to the hair at all. It's not a heat protectant, which is why I still used a heat protectant, but it definitely helps with quick blow drying. When I was in school, there used to be like a Paul Mitchell student, whatever, learning center thing across the street. So that's where we used to get our hair done. So yeah, that's where I learned about the Skinny Serum. And then I have been addicted ever since. All right, so I'm gonna split that again in half, and I'm going to put up this half, and then I'm gonna detangle. I'm detangling with this Can 2, I don't know, child, something brush. That's what I'm detangling with. It's very nice. This is my first time using it, but it's been a godsend. So my hair is still like kind of matted. I don't understand what's happening with the haps, you know what I mean? Oh, Lord. All right, so that is Detangled. Yep, see? Goes through smooth, so that's how we know we are detangled, and this definitely defines the curls too. Do that. Okay. So I might use this when I have to do like a wash and go to help define the curls. That's awesome. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the blow dryer. Now, mind you, this blow dryer is very fast. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, I've been doing this for what, 20 minutes, maybe 30, and I'm already like almost done with my whole entire head blow drying. Like, blow drying usually takes forever. So I really like this Revlon blow dryer. I've been seeing, oh, it's already like smudging. It's my first time using it, but I've been seeing all the girls using this on Instagram and YouTube and all of that. So I got it on Amazon. I think it was like $35 or something like that. So I was like, let me get it and let me try it out. I've been blowing on high heat because, yeah, ain't no cool nothing around here. I'm going to blow it all on high heat. Then I'm going to go through the rest of my hair all over again. And then once I'm going through the rest of my hair, then I'm going to use the cool shot to seal it in. Okay? So let's go. I'm going to put it on high.
Ils reviendront pour l'interpellation.
Mr. Officer, free me, c'est pas moi. Oh mon gars, yo qu'à chercher preuve pour mettre ma injure. Police l'a dit que mon café trop c'est. Pété pas de là, marre-moi, dis-moi, on y doit en serrer la peine. Chiche là, ils ont fait même moi l'argent comme criminel. On boucle, 8h du matin, ouvre la porte. Brigade des chemis, y'a besoin lock me up.
So you see, we are mostly straight. When I go to flat iron, I'm gonna put some more skinny serum just to help with a little bit of shine. But we are completely dry. Completely dry. All right, so we're going to twist this section up real quick and twist this up, and we're gonna go to the last section. Yo, like, the thing is, my hair is not tough. It's just a lot of hair. So that is what makes it really hard for me. My hair is super dense, which is why my mom told me not to go natural to begin with. Because she's like, do you know how much I broke my fingers trying to do your hair? You want to deal with that? Blah, blah, blah. And I was like, sis, the longer my hair is growing, you was right. You was right. I don't regret it, but I do. Because I promise you, just detangling my hair, I'll be feeling like my hair's gonna break. Like, look at this. It just gets stuck because it's just so much and my hair is so dense.
Montrez-moi photo, on pas connaître ça. Ou j'en connais nous-mêmes, nous pas des lance-bas. Ou pas les garçons. Aïe, dormi la nuit là, qui bat les sons. Yo qu'à chercher preuve pour mettre ma injure. Police l'a dit que mon café trop c'est. Pété pas de là, marre-moi, dis-moi, on y doit en serrer la peine. Chiche là, ils ont fait même moi l'argent comme criminel. Bon, par contre, troisième audition là, ok, parlez. Vous parlez pas les garçons, ok, puis on ça. Ça qu'a fait toi jouer en cas 10 heures, t'en pas ça. Pour qui ça nous qu'attend, nous on l'écoute là. Mais c'est l'OPJ, peut-être c'est vous qu'attend voir. Nous qu'a veillé au depuis long time. Et son boca, you nous trouver fusil et balle. Ou c'est trafiquant, bah nous y'en des têtes. Ou qu'à sorti l'en mettre. Déjà pour y'en n'a pas connaître ça. En pas qu'à lance-bas. Fusil moi c'est troisième bras moi. Ok mon cadavre quand ça mal. On y fusil et balle. Mais si cocaïne pas emmerdez-moi. On y fait ça zone ni à faire. Madame ou péché attend. Là ni combien non. Ça c'est en d'autres affaires. Veuillez tard là. Peut-être c'est lui qui cabot con. Yo qu'à chercher preuve pour mettre ma injure. Police l'a dit que mon café trop zèle. Espionnez-moi, yo dit la vie m'tro belle. On patate maman, ou quand travail réel. Système Babylon, les wa moi angel. Passons capable de power rebel. Reality, my friend. Wood boy, on can survivor. Tell them. Yo, quand chercher preuve pour mettre ma danger. Police la dit que mon café trop c'est. Pété pote là, marie-moi, dis-moi, on y doit en serrer la peine. Chiche là, les affaires, moi l'argent qu'on criminel. Mr. Officer, free me. C'est pas moi, c'est pas lui. On va qu'à lance bas. Feel nigga back à lance bas. Walk on. Avant même juger, je la condamne moi. Juge là qu'on fuck up. C'est compétence. Free me. Free to soldier.
Another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene?
Alright guys, so this is the final look. Alright, the humidity got me. I feel like my hair, this is my first time like straightening it and blowing it out and stuff. I went to my mom's and got a trim, so that's done. It looks really healthy. I had very minimal split ends because I've been dusting it here and there, like in its natural state every time like I double twist it. Sometimes I'll just dust the ends or whatever, but I hadn't had like a really good cut because it was never like straight enough to get a really good cut. So I was able to go to my mom just now and she got me a really good cut or whatnot. My mom is actually a licensed hairstylist. And she's been doing that on the side since I was a little kid. So she's always done my hair. And she was like, she remembers when I was younger and like this is the same type of like texture that I had before. So she was like having a blast, like raking through my hair and just doing the most. It was cute. But yeah, my hair, it started raining outside. I'm in South Florida, so you already know how that goes. The humidity hit it. All types of things, okay? Like, it was sleek. Y'all saw how it was sleek, and then it wasn't. So, it's okay. Like, it's just very puffy, but at least it's manageable. Like, I can literally run my fingers through it like I used to back in the day when I, you know, had my little relaxed hair and whatnot. So that's refreshing. That's definitely like, wow, I felt the wind in my scalps and I was like, oh my God. Like I've had braids and stuff. So like I've had like, you know, the loose hair or whatever, but it's definitely like a completely different thing when it's your actual hair that's out. So I am enjoying it. It is a little bit puffy. So I think next time I'll probably try to switch up my products to see what's gonna work better. I'm assuming that I probably have to use like an anti-frizz or anti-humidity type of thing. Maybe like John Frieda or the Garnier Fructis, they have like an anti-frizz and humidity whatever thing serum, I think. So maybe I'll try to use that next time and see if that makes a difference. But for now, I'm gonna try to keep my hands out of it and stop playing with it. So all my little ratty ends are gone. These are just like reverting at this point. These are not ratty because it was a lot straighter before I left the house this morning. But so the other thing that I could also do is I could curl it up and then like pin curl it or something and then like take it out when I'm ready. But in all actuality, I'm not going anywhere and I work out like 4 or 5 times a week. So this is gonna get ruined anyways. So what I'll probably just do to preserve it is either wrap it at night if it's still like soft enough in the roots and stuff to do that, or I will do a top knot while I'm working out and then kind of wait for my roots to dry and for my hair to dry. And then at night, probably do a top knot and that'll give me a nice curly look anyways. That I love big hair, so this is not a problem for me. I am absolutely loving it. So I think I'm gonna start doing this more often, just like straightening it. Even if I don't like flat iron it, but at least blow it out and stuff just to make it a little bit more manageable for me and start to heat train my hair. So but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like if you enjoy my videos, and hit that notification bell so that you can know when I post additional videos. Thanks for watching, Glow fam. Bye.